Do you want to know my favorite breakfast as a mom? It's overnight oats. Not only are they extremely healthy and delicious, but it is an easy way to prep the meal so your kids can get their breakfast in the morning without cooking, without the mess, without waking up super early. They're so easy to prep. It literally takes me about 10 minutes to prep everybody's breakfast. And the best part is I can also sneak healthy ingredients inside the oats, such as I use NuBest tall protein powder that also has probiotics. It's packed with calcium and omegas, and they don't even know it's in there because it's chocolate flavor. And I also put chia seeds, and with the ingredients with overnight oats, you have so many options. I use honey, you can use whatever sweetener. I use almond butter, but you can use peanut butter. I use almond milk, but you can use regular milk. And whatever toppings you want, we use strawberries, bananas, peanuts, walnuts, blueberries, maple syrup, whatever your heart desires, you can add, and you can make them healthy. You can make them unhealthy, whatever your heart desires. My recipe that I used for my girls right here and myself, because I have to eat them, is down in the caption. It's a simple ratio to follow. However many oats you use is how much milk you use. So if I use half a cup of oats, I use half a cup of milk. And then you add in, like I said, your sweeteners, your peanut butter, whatever you want as your mixture. Of course, I add in a little bit of sugar-free chocolate chips for that extra chocolate flavor, and then you store them overnight, and boom, in the morning, it's ready to go. Whenever my teenager is ready, she just goes downstairs, grabs it from the fridge, and she has a healthy, nutritious way to start her day. They're also perfect for on the go. I make them the day before a trip, and we just pack them into the motorhome or in the car. You don't have to take our word for it. You can try it for yourself. But as Serenity says,
Hot, yummy.